Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. My name is Samuel Okpeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I use this platform to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. If you are new on this channel, feel free to browse through the channel. I have tons of video trainings here. I have tons of training videos here. You can go through them, learn some few tips here, put them into practice before going live with any of the strategies shared here. So just browse through the going live with any of the strategies shared here. And if you love any of my videos, kindly share with families and friends. And if you have any question about any of my videos, kindly check the description box below for my email and WhatsApp number, and I also have it on the screen right now. You can actually copy them out and send message to me directly. I will respond to your messages as soon as I get them. And if you want to learn more directly from me, you can also join my Telegram channel and watch some of my training videos there, so that you can learn how to trade on the market effectively. Okay, today we'll be looking at how to trade boom, crash, volatility 75 using the breakout and retest. That is what we are looking at today. We'll be looking at how we can take advantage of the breakout and retest. Some people actually asked me question on this, so I decided to do video on it so that you all can also benefit from it. It is applied. You can apply this strategy to any assets you are trading. So just listen, sit tight, listen, and take some notes while we are going through the training session, so that you will understand the way it works. And the video will be on the channel, so you can always watch it over and over till you are able to perfect the skill. Okay, but before going into full details, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, before going into today's training, let me quickly do the analysis of the market, because so many people are looking forward to that, so that they can know what to focus on in today's training. In today's trade. So let's quickly look at that before going into the training proper. So I will be starting with crash 500. Let me take it backward. Yeah, I will be starting with crash 500. As you can see, crash 500 has been on downtrend for some time. It's more of downtrend today. As you can see, at the early part of this morning, it's been going down till now. It is still going down, although within this period and this, sorry about the alerts, and this the market has been consolidating there, trying to determine where to go to, either to break up or to break out, upward or to break out downward. So if it breaks out downward, that means it is still going on with a downtrend, and if it breaks out upward, that means it is going back on uptrend. So if you are to trade crash 500, check out the market very well before you trade. But the market is favoring downtrend. If you should check the dashboard here, it's more of downtrend than uptrend. So that is that about that. Let's go to crash 1000. Let's go to crash 1000. Actually, crash 1000 has been on uptrend for a while. You can see the long trend. If you're having this indicator, I know you will have benefited from that. You can see the uptrend. It's been on uptrend for a while, but presently it has gotten to a major resistance level and it is crashing down. So if you're having the indicator, you should know that it is crashing down now, and you should benefit from all these crashes. then that would have given you a whole lot of money. You can actually benefit from the uptrend when it was going up, and now that it is going down, you also benefit from it. So that is how it works. So that is crash 1000. So watch out for it. Presently it is going down. It's been an uptrend for a while, but presently it is going down. So let's go to boom 500 and do the analysis. Okay, boom 500 presently is going back on uptrend. I think it's been on downtrend for a while. Can you see? Presently it is trying to go back up. So probably once it gets to a major resistance level, it will still come back down. So that is that. Now let's check boom 1000. Let's check boom 1000. Let me take it backward a bit. Yeah, boom 1000 is also on uptrend. Okay, this is 5 minutes. Let me take it to 1 minute to be sure of this. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, boom 1000 has been on uptrend at the early part of today, but presently going on downtrend. So that is that about boom 1000 presently going on downtrend. So that is that about boom 1000. So that is where we'll be stopping on the market analysis before going into today's training properly. So let's go into today's training properly. In today's training, we said we will be looking at how to trade boom crash VIX 75 using breakout and retest strategy. Actually, this actually apply to all the assets you are trading. So I will just be the most important thing is just for you to understand the strategy. So I will be explaining the strategy with a few assets here, so you can apply or try to get this on the other assets or whichever asset you are trying to trade. Okay, let's go into the trading platform again to see what we're trying to discuss on. Okay, there's what we call retest strategy, and there's what we call breakout strategy. I've actually explained breakout before, and also for you to be able to know this strategy, then you should know what your support and resistance level is, because this will help you to be able to identify where it is retesting and where it is most likely for it to break out. And I think it is based on this strategy that range break was also created. You know, range break 200 and 100, the new assets on MT5 for binary.com. Those two assets were created based on that, as in the market will be moving within a certain range before there will be a breakout. So there will be a lot of test and retest before there will be a breakout. So what am I trying to say? How do you know when a market is testing or retesting before there is a breakout? When the movement of the market is going within a certain point for a very long time. So let me quickly highlight that together. Thank God we are at a very good point now. This is one area that we can use as an example. You can see the markets. Let's see it very well. The market went up, got to this level, came down again, got to this level, went up again, came down again, got to this level. That is, it is testing the same area and went back. It was unable to break where these two lines are. Went back up, came down again, went back up, broke it a bit but not successfully broken, and came back down again. Went back up, broke it a bit but not successfully broken, but came back down. But this time around it broke it totally. You can see it. This is what we call the breakout. This is what we call the breakout. This is where the breakout is, and all this period all these periods from here to here are the retest point for the resistance level, and from here to here are the retest points for the support level. So it keeps on going up and down, going up and down within a certain region, but it finally broke out and went back up. So the same thing, it happens with both buy movement and sell movement. So let's look out for more. Let's look out for more. Okay. Let me take this to 5 minutes. Sometimes it is easier for you to see using the higher time frame. You can see the what I analyzed then. We can easily see it clearly here using the higher time frame, and this is where it's broke out from, and you can see it going up. So let's see. I think I highlighted another place. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this is another area where we can observe that you can see this session. Can you see it? This time around, I want to use this to describe breaking down below, that is for a sell. You can see it spiked up, got to this level, came down again, went back up, got to this level, came down again, broke it a bit, but went back up again, got to this level, came back up, came back down and went back up. This time around, it broke it at this level, which means, how do you use it to trade the retest? Let me use that as an example. Let's say you are selling, you've noticed that it got to this level, came back up, so it went back to the same level. Once it is still at the same level, you should expect it to go down a bit. You can see it created 15 minutes candle from here. Can you imagine being the market for 15 minutes? That is amazing. Then it went back up again and came back down, went back up. This time around, it came back down. This one created 1 2 3 4 5 6 that is about 30 minutes candles. That is amazing. So each time it is unable to break the resistance level that it has gotten to before, then you can come in and place your order, because it is still going down, and then you still check out for the support level. Once it is approaching that support level that it is spiking from, then you exit the market. You allow it to spike again to see if it will break the resistance level. You can say it didn't break it here, so it is sure that it will sell again. So that is why it sold from here to this level. You can see it sold from here to this level, and at this level it is approaching the same the same support level that it usually spikes from. So all you just need to do is just to exit the market. But if you had been selling from here, you will have gotten 1 2 3 4 5. That is 5 minutes candle. That is 25 minutes candles for you. So that is amazing. So it spiked up again and got back to that resistance level, and it came down. So you can come in again and trade and get another 5 minutes candle. So that is trading using the retest method, and you can use it to trade the spikes too. As it is getting to that level where it spiked up before, you place a pending buy order here, and once it picks it will spike up, and it is coming down again. You place the pending buy order there, it spikes up again. You are still waiting for it to see if it will break out the resistance level or the support level, but at last it broke out the support level, and you can see it, the general support level, and you can see it going down. And once it breaks out this general support level, it means it will go down for a very long time. Remember, this is 5-minute time frame. So once you notice, you'll have end from this level all through to this level, and once you notice that it is now going down after breaking out totally, you can now come in to earn from the breakout strategy. This is where the breakout strategy will come in, because it has broken the support level totally that it has tested and retested and retested. So you can now sell here, and this is 11 bars. 11 times 5 is giving you 55 minutes candles, which is almost 1 hour. At that stage, you should be rest assured that even a spike can't easily take up your money. You can see there is a small spike here and it still went down. There is another small spike here and it still went down. So if you have enough capital and with what you have earned, you can have the courage to stay till this level. So that is how to use the breakout strategy and also the retest strategy to trade successfully. Let me see if I can get one more example. I think I saw one the other time. Yeah, this level, you can see it, this level. Let me take it to 5 minutes so that we see it clearly. Okay, as you can see, it is happening presently. You can see it came back, it went down, went back up, went down again, still within the same range, went back up, came down again, went back up, came down again, went back up, came down again, went back up, came down, went back up. So it is trying to break out from either the resistance level or support level. So we're looking at the possibility of it breaking out from the resistance level. If it breaks out from the resistance level, then it should be getting to nothing less than this level. It should be getting to this level before it goes down back. So but if it breaks out below the support level, that means there is still enough crash that will happen in the day, which means the market will continue to go on a downtrend, and for some time it will continue to go on a downtrend for some time. But if you are the smart person, you can actually trade within this region. It might be for a very short period, but having 5 minute candle, 4 minute candle, I don't think is really bad. Have 4 minute candle, then set up once it gets to the once it is approaching the resistance level, you set a sell order there, and it crashed. You exit the market, buy again. Set a sell order, crashed, exit the market, buy again. Set a sell order here, crashed, exit the market, buy again. Set a sell order here, then it crashed, exit the market, then buy again. Then you can do that on and on. Right now it is approaching the next resistance level. You can see the red arrow popping out. So the resistance level where it has been testing and retesting, it is approaching there again. It is most likely it crashed again. So if you are buying again, you will have gotten 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes candle. Just exit here because the red arrow is already out and it is already approaching the same resistance level that it has tested and retested several times. So it might crash again, and if it crashed, you can place a pending or you can place a sell order there. If it crashed, good for you. Then you wait for it to buy again. That is if it does not break the support level. Then another thing is, if it breaks this resistance level, then know that it is a breakout point for a buy order, and that means it will go up for a while and you can be in the market from here to this level. So that is how to use the breakout strategy and also the retest strategy. So you can combine the two together to milk the market successfully. Using the retest strategy, you can be milking the market within a certain range for a very long time. So far it is yet to break those areas, but once it has been broken, then you switch the mode into the breakout strategy. So that way you will be earning using the two strategies together. I believe you have learned a lot from today's training. So I would like you to watch the video over and over again. practice the strategies on whatever assets you are trading, but practice it very well. Make sure you perfect your skill before trying it out on your live account. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me. Send message to me directly via my WhatsApp or my email address, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And you can also join my Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me. So I'll be stopping here right now, but if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just hit the subscription button and also the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you love this video, kindly share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Okpeola. God bless.